Hi guys, welcome to eMedia Coach. I'm your expert instructor for the Astra Pro theme, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about an Astra Pro feature, that is the header sections. If you haven't bought the Astra Pro theme yet, then you can go to emediacoach.com/Astra and you'll be redirected to the Astra's official website from where you can buy the official theme. Because for this particular feature you'll be needing a pro version of the Astra theme. So let's go to our test site. So this is our test site which I'm going to use in this video. So let's go to its dashboard. So once you are logged in, you have to go to appearance and then you have to go to Astra options. Now here you'll find a list of all the features available to the Astra Pro users. So these all modules are available only to Astra Pro users. If you can't see an activate button here, then that means you are using the free version of the Astra theme, and then you have to buy the theme by going to emediacoach.com/Astra. So as you can see, we have a lot many features here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the header sections, and I've also made videos on all of these features, so you can go and watch them on our channel. So before I activate this header sections, let me show you what is the difference it is going to make. So let's go to the customize. Here let's go to layout and then go to header. So as you can see that we have three available options here: site identity, primary header and transparent header. So now let me activate this and then I'll show you the difference it is going to make. So as you can see, this is activated. So let's go to our customize and refresh it. Now let's go to layout and then go to header. And now as you can see that earlier only site identity, primary header and transparent header were available, but now we also have two other options, that is above header and below header. So these both things have their own options, and in this video I'm going to explain you in detail that how these things work. So let's go to above header, and then right now it is visible because we can see only a simple header. In above header a new bar will be appearing on top of this. So let's click on this. This one has two sections as it is shown in the image, and this one has a single section. So as you can see that a new bar has been added above our header if you are using above header thing. Now as you can see, we have two options here to edit section 1 and section 2. This is section 1 and this is section 2. If you want to edit the content of section 1, you can edit it here, and you can also select the type of content you need on this. So if you don't want to show anything, you can just keep it none. And if you want to show a menu, you can show it using this. And here you have to assign a menu. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So just go to your website dashboard and then go to appearance and then go to menus. Here quickly create a new menu. Let's name it top. Create. And now add a few pages to it. So let me add about and contact us. Add to menu, and let's save the menu. Now you can see there are a few options here: primary menu, display location, primary menu, footer menu, above header and below header. So let me mark it above header and then click on save. So now this will be assigned to this, but right now I'm in editing mode, so it won't be refreshed. I'll show you later when we'll refresh the page. So this was about the menu. The other three options are search, text HTML and widget. So if you click on search, you'll see that a search button will be appearing here, and you can also select the style of the search. So let me show you different type of styles. This is slide search, full screen search, header cover search and search box. So in slide search, something like this will show, and if you'll be choosing a full screen search, a whole screen will be covering a page on which you can enter the searchable terms. So something like this looks excellent. And you can also select a header cover search, in which this whole section will be converted into a search bar, and then there is an option of search box, so the box will be directly appearing here. So these are the different type of searches you can add to your section. And then there is an option to add a text or HTML where you can add an information like close today or open today, you are offering a special discount. You can add a link or any type of button if you want, or you can also add like your contact information like your phone number or email ID. The next option is to add a widget. So once you have selected widget here, you have to go to this and then you have to go to appearance and then you have to go to widgets. Now on this page you will find an option to add widget. So as you can see, above header first widget, so you can add widget here and you can add multiple widgets here. The first widget is for this side and the second widget is for this side. So this was about the section 1, and similarly you have the same options in the section 2 depending on what is your need and how you want to edit it. You can add as many customizations as you want. Similarly you can add a border. So suppose I add a border of 3 and I make it of the color blue. As you can see, you can clearly see the border now. Similarly there is option to change its height, so you can make it larger or smaller depending on your need. Now then there is an option to customize mobile header. So let me shift this to the mobile screen. So in the mobile header you can add these widgets here, or you can just keep it a single widget like one after another, or you can divide it into two parts like this. Depending on how much larger information is and how much space it covers, you can choose between these two. And you can also use this option to interchange these widgets. So the thing which is coming here on the PC will come that side, and the thing which is coming on this side will come to this side. So these all are the features available in above header. Similarly, all of these options are available to below header as well. So as you can see, the below header is exactly same. It's just that its position will be below the main bar. So this is the main bar, this is above header, and this is below header. So you can keep it single, like if you want to display a message, something like we are offering a special discount or something, so that whenever anyone goes to any page of your website, he'll instantly see your top message, which is that you are offering a special discount or any type of notice to customers. So you can display any type of information. These are type of information which I explained you earlier. So this was all about header sections. I hope you liked this video. In my newer videos, I'm going to cover all of these features. So if you are an Astra Pro user, or if you are thinking to buy Astra Pro, then you can just hit the subscribe button below, because these videos are going to help you a lot in understanding all of these features. Other than that, if you are also a WordPress user or you are into digital marketing, then I'll suggest you to subscribe to our channel, because we are creating videos on all of those topics. If you like this video, you can just press the thumbs icon below, and if you have any type of questions, suggestions or queries, you can just comment them below, or you can go to emediacoach.com and then you can fill out the contact form for any type of custom request if you have. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.